Hello students, welcome to SYLearning. In today's class, we will talk about compound words. So let's start. Nature inspired compound words. Wow! Two words make one meaningful word. Number one, sun, flower. Sunflower.
Surprise!
Number two, rain, coat. Raincoat.
I'm here.
Number three, snow, ball, snowball. Number four, moonlight, moonlight. And the next one is rainbow, rainbow. Firefly, firefly. Okay students, now we will talk about compound words related to the technology and tools. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching SY channel.